Use your brain. Use your brain. He will win. He will win. Your turn. Your turn. How foolish. How foolish. এর ইংরেজি move aside. Move aside. Nowadays there is fever in every house. Nowadays there is fever in every house. Don't call me again. Don't call me again. Why are you so late? Why are you so late? When did you come? When did you come? The judgment was postponed. The judgment was postponed. He has guards. He has guards. What's that? What's that? Try it again. Try it again. It's done. It's done. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? What to study? What to study? Are you coming? Are you coming? Can you help me? Can you help me? Do you understand? Do you understand? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It's a pleasure for me. It's a pleasure for me. Think and speak. Think and speak. I left the company in June 2019. I left the company in June 2019. The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. She is standing in front of me. She is standing in front of me. Not now. Not now. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. এর ইংরেজি look out. Look out. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Show me. Show me. Give me. Give me. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. You are very bad. You are very bad. It's too late now. It's too late now. Who are you to teach me? Who are you to teach me? Looks like Hawker is coming. Looks like Hawker is coming. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. She plays piano. She plays piano. He does not walk fast. He does not walk fast. Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. Do you go to France often? Do you go to France often? Need anything else? Need anything else? Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. You have a lot of things to do. You have a lot of things to do. Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.